Back in the shop. This video number 8, I think it is, on the Pallet violin. And tonight I'm going to show you how I hollow out the back in the process I go through. And in the last video I showed you how I marked the back. And these lines are in quite a bit. And that's fine because what I'm going to do is drill a lot of holes in them, and that removes a lot of waste wood and makes it easier to do. And we're going to set up my drill press, and let me see if I can get this a little better here. And basically I got a 5/16 inch bit in. This piece of wood is 5 millimeters thick. And what I do, there's a way you can set it up with just a handle, but I like to do it just a little different and bring my table up to it just so the tip of the bit is hitting that. And I'll lock it in. Now I can drill. And basically what I do, I turn it on. Didn't work. Obviously, that was loose. All right, now we'll reset it. And away we go. as you can see, I got a bunch of holes now. And there go 5 millimeters left on this side. And now we're going to take it on over to the bench. And if I can do this, this might be a little hard. Get things going here. And I have a jig I made, and it's basically to hold the piece tight while you scoop out the and there's several ways you can do it with that or with the plane, but I'm going to show you guys it's not a new tool, but it's a tool that makes this go a lot quicker to remove the waste wood. I got to hook it up. What it is a flexible shaft tool that makes short work of removing wood. And I have to change my bit. Probably should have done that before the video, but you get to see how this works. This is a Foredom tool, and it's great for removing wood. And a lot of violin guys remove wood with machines now because it's just quick. And the real craftsmanship comes when you get it down to where you're graduating the plate. And a lot of people like to do it where they just enjoy the sound of the gouge or the plane. Why not you do the two? But to remove waste wood, I use this. As you can see, it goes pretty quick. I usually wear a mask and a jacket when I do this, which I'm going to put on shortly. But that is how I remove the waste wood, and then once I get it down to 5 millimeters, then I use my plane or the gouge and take the wood off in layers, and I got more control. But that takes a lot of the work and the hard work out of it, and you get to the fun part real quick. So that's what we're doing on the Pallet Princess violin tonight. And if you guys are still interested in it, the contest is still open. You have to subscribe, you have to like, and you have to comment that you want it. So those are the rules. And somebody will be the proud owner of the Pallet Princess. So next time, tomorrow's Sunday, we got company coming, probably won't be working much, so Monday probably be the next video, and we'll be fine-tuning it. So talk to you guys later.